In the quest for a harmonious living environment, the significance of maintaining optimal indoor humidity cannot be overstated. This humidifier emerges as a promising solution, offering a blend of simplicity and efficiency. This review delves into the various features and specifications that make this humidifier a noteworthy addition to homes seeking relief from cough and congestion, a quiet sleep sanctuary, and versatile humidity control. Join us as we explore the facets that make this humidifier a standout choice in the realm of home wellness. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cough and congestion relief. The primary purpose of this humidifier is evident in its effectiveness in alleviating cough and congestion. During the cold season, it becomes challenging to sleep with respiratory discomfort. The warm mist produced by this humidifier provides temporary relief by adding much-needed moisture to the air, contributing to a more comfortable breathing experience. Number 2. Quick and easy to use. The simplicity of operation makes this humidifier a user-friendly choice. The filter-free design is convenience, and it can be used with Vicks VapoSteam for medicated vapors. With a generous 1-gallon tank, users can enjoy the benefits of warm mist for up to 24 hours. The quiet operation makes it suitable for bedroom use, ensuring an undisturbed sleep environment. Number 3. Humidifiers for bedroom and more. Versatility is a key feature of this humidifier. It caters to the needs of a diverse user base, from babies and young children to adults. Its compact design fits seamlessly into any room, making it a practical choice for maintaining optimal indoor humidity levels. Whether combating dry air, allergies, illness, or simply ensuring a comfortable atmosphere, this humidifier proves to be a versatile companion. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 7.88 inches depth by 12 inches width by 14.25 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Efficient cough and congestion relief. Quick and easy operation. Filter-free design for hassle-free maintenance. Extended 24-hour runtime. 1 reason not to buy. Relatively high wattage consumption, 260 watts. Conclusion. The Vicks 1-gallon warm mist humidifier impresses with its ease of use, targeted relief for respiratory discomfort, and adaptable design. Whether enhancing sleep quality or maintaining optimal humidity levels, this humidifier stands as a commendable choice, contributing to a healthier and more comfortable living space. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.